Here's another simple stairway you can build, and this one here, the other one that I did, and I'll put a link here so that you can go check that one out. I'll put a link at the back of the video. And it went from here down, and you could come out, you know, if you used it for a trailer, you could step out onto the landing and come out this way. This one here, you can actually go in both directions. So let's go ahead and take a look. And again, these are stairways that can be used for a variety of different things. And you can use the concept of building it to build other stairways. Let's say you wanted to build a stairway with 4 steps. You could still use the same stairway. Boards that are used here to attach the 2x8 stringers together. Let's go ahead and take a look at it without the treads. The treads here are 2x12s, 11.5 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick, and then 36 inches long. And again, you can change these too, as long as, you know, if you make these 5 foot long, you're probably going to have to put another one of these in the middle. That would require 3 of them. If you're going to make it 2 foot, you could simply just reduce the size of these and then follow the same assembly pattern. Here's what it would look like before you flipped it up and put it together. Your 2 boards here. And this board here, I should have put the measurement in here, but you can get it from the other video. Make sure you go check that one out. It'll be the same size. Here are your measurements here for this. 6 inches. We need to reduce the size of the first one so that the steps will work out with equal risers. Here's the lengths. And here are the measurements for these boards here. I didn't put these in the other one, but you could use these measurements here for the first video that was made. And that is it for this one. Hopefully it makes sense. You would do this part first. Cut these boards, lay them out flat on a flat surface, and then use screws or nails to attach these boards to them to make a nice solid piece. So anyway, I am going to make a few more of these videos. I think they can be quite helpful for people that have a difficult time. All they want is a stairway, and they want to do it themselves. And this might be the one of the simplest ways you can actually do something like this.